In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Squarespace website step by step. Start by opening your site and heading to the page you want to work on. Once you're there, enter the editor by selecting Edit Site. This switches you from viewing to editing mode so you can make changes. Next, click Edit to enable page-level editing controls on the canvas. Before we touch the content, let's quickly refine the global navigation and branding. Choose Edit Site Header. Here, you can adjust your logo, navigation items, and header style so everything looks consistent across your site. When you're done reviewing those settings, return to the page canvas. Now click Edit Page to focus on the body of this specific page. Choose Add Page Content, then select Add Section. For full control over layout and spacing, pick Add Blank. This gives you a clean slate to place exactly what you need. Inside the new blank section, click Add Block. From the block options, choose Image, then confirm Image again to add an image block to the section. This is perfect for hero imagery, product shots, or any visual that anchors the page. Aim for high-quality, properly sized images to keep your site looking sharp and loading quickly. With the image in place, open Edit Section to style the section itself. Under Gap, select Fill Screen if you want a full-height, hero-style section that immediately grabs attention. Then tweak height to fine-tune the vertical space and ensure the content feels balanced. Use alignment to position your image and text exactly where you want it, left, center, or right, so the composition matches your brand's look. If you want a visual separation between sections, use Divider to add or adjust a divider line. Next, open Background to set the mood for this section. You can cycle through image, video, and art to see how each option changes the feel. Image is great for crisp, fast-loading visuals. Video adds motion and energy, ideal for short, subtle loops. Art provides graphic patterns and textures for a unique backdrop. After previewing the options, select Image to keep the section clean and focused. When you're happy with the layout and styling, click Save. That's it. Your edits are now applied. By following this flow, entering Edit Site, using Edit for page controls, refining the header, adding a blank section, inserting an image block, adjusting section settings like gap, height, alignment, and divider, exploring background options, and saving, you'll have a streamlined, professional-looking page in no time. Keep your visuals consistent, maintain generous spacing, and your Squarespace site will feel polished and easy to navigate.